for this week's Beauty Beat. Now, we're staying focused on being hydrated. When it's cold outside, you know what I mean? It's dry, flaky skin, not to mention dull. Now, let's bring in, of course, makeup artist Christina to keep us hydrated. Happy Tuesday, Christina. How you doing?
Happy Tuesday. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Okay, we're going to start with something that seems fairly logical. It starts from the inside out when it comes to hydration.
Yes, hydration is key. Make sure you're getting in your daily water intake. If you're one who forgets about water, investing in a big water bottle with the goal to finish it every day might be a good option for you. We've all seen those big water bottles with the time stamp on it and your little cheerleader line, but they really do make a huge difference. Also, a healthy, balanced diet is super important. Getting in your healthy oils and fats all help maintain healthy skin. If you're not getting it in your food, taking a daily fish oil supplement will help you get in your omega fatty acids to make your skin look and feel healthier.
So we need to drink water and also get those fatty acids that we need for our skin to look beautiful. But we also have skincare treatments that we can use, first starting with our face. The first thing people see.
Yes. So think creamy. There's important ingredients to look for. Hylauronic acid, ceramides, vitamin E. For extra dry skin, I recommend SkinCeuticals Triple Lipid Restore. It restores essential skin lipids, your ceramides, your natural cholesterol, those fatty acids we just talked about, and is proven to nourish and correct signs of aging. I recommend it to a lot of my clients who suffer from extra dry skin, and SkinCeuticals is very results driven, so you will see a noticeable difference. Also, if you have combination oily skin like myself, I love the Glam Glow Good in Bed Fat Passionfruit Softening Night Cream. It has gentle skin exfoliating acids and that key ingredient, hyaluronic acid, that clumps your skin, and you'll literally wake up with soft skin every morning. If you feel like you need an extra boost, add a nighttime face mask. Maybe not every night, but a couple, 2 to 3 times a week. My favorite is the Cora Organics Noni Glow Sleeping Mask. You put on a layer after your regular skincare regimen, let it dry and go to sleep. And when you wake up, you rinse it off and your skin is radiant and glowing. It's a lightweight gel, it boosts your hydration, and it's pillow proof. So you don't have to worry about residue or discoloration on your pillowcase when you wake up in the morning.
You got me started on that Glam Glow, and it really is a game changer. I recommend it for people out there. The other thing, most of our face covered during the day, our eyes getting really exposed, especially if you're outside, you want to take that walk. Now there's dry wind and all of that stuff. So what do we do for around our eyes to keep ourselves hydrated and probably not looking so tired?
Again, the heavier the eye cream at night, the better. I love SkinCeuticals Age Eye Complex. It's an advanced anti-wrinkle cream packed with peptides and blueberry extracts, and it's silky smooth. If you're one who suffers from extremely dry skin around your eyes, almost think like eczema with that swollen skin, that flaky skin, that change in texture. My favorite remedy is putting a layer of Aquaphor over your night cream. Your dry skin will clear up within a few days, and if you stay consistent with it, it will stay clear.
Wow, that's a pro tip. Aquaphor, a lot of people already have that in their house. You don't need to go out and buy anything. And lastly, let's talk about the hands, because they can get real dry.
The hand. All right, so our hands obviously take a huge hit during the cold winter months, especially with all the hand washing we're doing. And let's be honest, people tend to forget about our feet, even though they take the most wear and tear. My favorite new product is the Gewal Soft Feet Butter. I massage it into my feet every night before I go to sleep and work the extra into my hands. And when you wake up, you truly feel as smooth as butter. The product is a mixture of cocoa butter, shea butter, vitamin E, and avocado oil, and just feels really amazing on your skin.
And you could probably use that on your hands, right? I would assume.
Yeah, I work the extra into my hands, and it makes a huge difference.
All right, nice. Well, Christina, thank you for joining us. Stay warm out there and also stay hydrated. Remember, it starts from the inside out, guys. We'll be right back.